Announcement today from the Department of Justice about racial profiling. The Attorney General is defending revised guidelines for federal law enforcement that ban profiling based on race on several other factors. Some civil liberties groups say revised rules still don't go far enough. Craig Boswell has more from Washington.
New guidelines from the Justice Department ban federal law enforcement from profiling not just on the basis of race and ethnicity, but also religion, gender, national origin, sexual orientation, and gender identity.
We are most effective when we don't do things on the basis of stereotypes.
Officers are allowed to consider race if it applies to a specific suspect description. The policy also has exemptions for Homeland Security work on the border and TSA agents screening passengers at airports.
The guidance leaves a loophole for FBI racial mapping of mostly Arab and minority communities.
The guidelines apply to law enforcement within the Justice Department, meaning the FBI, DEA, ATF. State and local officers participating in federal task forces must also follow the rules, but local police departments are not bound by the guidelines. Nationwide protests over the deaths of Michael Brown and Eric Garner at the hands of white officers have brought the issue of race and law enforcement to the forefront.
Ferguson prompted the release of the guidance, but the guidance doesn't stop the Fergusons from happening.
Attorney General Eric Holder wants these new federal standards to be a model local law enforcement can follow. Craig Boswell, CBS News, Washington.
And the revised policy requires new training, data collecting, and accountability measures.